Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video for SalesVision and also about earthing and the relation to blood pressure. So it's a blood pressure connection. It says doctors don't know the precise cause of high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, but they know it affects a huge segment of humanity and it's increasing at an alarming rate. A 2013 World Health Organization report says that complications of hypertension, such as a heart attack and a stroke, account for 9.4 million deaths worldwide every year, and that in another decade, an estimated 1.56 billion people will be affected. Over the years, I've used a non-drug approach for prevention and therapy involving diet, supplements, mind-body techniques, and exercise. I found that mild high blood pressure is one of the easiest medical conditions to control without drugs or medical treatment. Individuals with severe high blood pressure and symptomatic kidney disease, a result of high blood pressure, need to take medication. Earthing provides another major tool. I have frequently heard comments about improved blood pressure from people after they start earthing. Some individuals have said that their doctors have been able to reduce their medication dosage and in some cases eliminate medication altogether. Such comments have become routine and easily understandable when you consider these earthing influences: improved circulation and electrodynamics of blood, a calming effect on the nervous system, a normalizing effect on cortisol, the stress hormone, better sleep, less inflammation and pain. Earthing may in fact represent the easiest possible way to lower your blood pressure. You can do it in your sleep without a pill or anything else. The most dramatic drops we have observed had been associated with reduction of pain and the anxiety and fear of chronic illness. If you're hypertensive and taking medication, you want to start earthing, please just consult your doctor. He or she may need to adjust and lower your medication accordingly. You may want to track your own blood pressure with a monitoring device at home and bring to your doctor a written record of your readings before and after grounding sessions. Occasionally, people have reported increased blood pressure after they start earthing. However, there is nothing about earthing that can cause an increase. Blood pressure either comes down or stays the same. A rise in blood pressure is unrelated to earthing and is likely related to overwhelming emotional stress or to someone stopping medication. He says, in my experience, I've seen many people, and especially women, have significant reduction in their blood pressure. That happens because of earthing's systemic effects. People have less pain and become happier. So there you see, there's another reason to practice earthing. And this is another video for SalesVision, the 100 video challenge. And just remember, if you are in network marketing and or you have products to sell, you need to create customers, generate leads. The easiest way is to use the SalesVision Digital Marketing Software. You will find the link in the description below. You can learn more about it. That way you don't have to bother friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.